If ever you have undone some yarn, I need to roll it back onto the ball. The top tip my nana gave me, and it makes logical sense to me, is to put some fingers over the ball. You might only have a small ball of yarn, so just wrap one finger, but I'll show you what I mean. So I've got this big ball of yarn here. I'm going to have a few fingers on the ball, and as I wrap the yarn around, I'm going to wrap the yarn over my fingers. And this way, when I release my fingers, the yarn won't be too tight around the ball. So you can imagine on a smaller ball of yarn, because this is a full big ball, you might only put one finger. It depends on the size of the ball that you're winding up. If I wind up this yarn now, so there's a bit of tension because my fingers are there, but when I release my fingers, the yarn is held in place, but this yarn isn't stretched. And you don't want to stretch the yarn, because one day you might want to knit this again, and then it's not too tight, and it'll be keeping nice for you for next time.